Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney office hours from February 12th. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out to my community, the Future Tech Academy. There are over 200,000 communities on the school platform, and we are in the top 1% for engagement. I just wanted to say thank you, you're all the best. And if you want to join us, you should check out the link in the description below. Now on to the recap. The main things they're working on are the version 7 model, a video release, some new user interfaces on the website for bigger batches. They're working on folder organization and a workspace feature, as well as a better selection tool for the editor. David said within the next 2 weeks we might see some of that website stuff, but they think they're going to wait until version 7 for the bigger batch update. He said that version 7 is a little up and down. Some parts are looking good. He said omni-reference is working really well. He said it's not perfect, but still really good. And he said it could be the flagship feature of version 7. Apparently they have a lot of experiments that show they can make a faster model and a model with much bigger batches. They have multiple versions of version 7 that are sort of competing with each other, and they don't know which one will feel the best to use. Once they decide which one they want to release, it shouldn't take too long to ship it. My question to you is, what do you want? Best quality or basically real-time generation? David said they're trying to decide between like instant generation and 15-second generations. I personally don't know why quality isn't the most important thing to them, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. David did say that there is a small chance they might go down a third path, and that could take an extra month of development. I don't know what to say anymore. He did mention some big uncertainties, like will version 7 be okay with really complicated prompts? He said he's more excited about image quality and speed, and he did apologize for being flippy floppy. I'll say I don't honestly understand their philosophy, so please don't get your hopes up for anything from this company anymore. We've just heard the same things for so long that I have to respect your expectations. I don't know, c'est la vie. As far as video goes, he said there are a few things that might happen. They're still talking about partnering or using open source. He's still worried about price. But again, he's literally been talking about this for months, so do not get your hopes up. It really does sound like they suffer from analysis paralysis, but he did mention a lot how they're waiting to release something that they're proud of, and how releasing something for the sake of releasing it is just, it's not their vibe. Anyways, if you like the art in this video, here is the prompt. It's again just one of my mood boards. This one is called Frankenstein number 2. And if you want to use it, try --P in your prompt followed by this code, FFGL89L. I'll also leave that in the description if you want to copy and paste it. Don't forget to check us out in the Future Tech Academy. There's your recap of the Midjourney office hours. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time.